Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. And today we are working on Johnny's BMW E92. She's getting a really tasteful mod. She's going to get some BC Racing Coilovers, exactly what mine has. So I think I have the extreme lows, and I'm not too sure what he has, but I think he just has the basic entry-level BC Racing Coilover. Catch you guys when he gets here and when we get the car up on a jack or a lift, and yeah, we'll go from there. Sick.
Do I not need like a piece of wood or anything? We're doing unboxing of BC Racing Coilovers. Fuck. Oh no.
Compress the things together. Or not.
Ah! There it is. Uh-oh. There we go. Woo! I like the packaging, right, Brian? Nice packaging.
I can't see.
So many flaps. Ooh, stickers. Woo! Woo! Woo-hoo! All right, guys. Oh.
Alright, you guys will get Johnny's point of view, so you can see him struggle. Alright, let's go back to my view. My view is a little bit better. I have light, but at this point, as you guys can see, the strut is hanging out of the car. Now I just have to pull it off, and it should be good to go. It is combined right here, but I already took the bolts off, as you can see. But yeah, then the new strut will be able to go in.
There she goes. Yeah, boy. Give me that. Yeah, buddy. On eBay, $500. Right now, $5. $500. $5 saki.
We'll be back in like 20 minutes.
Wait.
Alright, go.
Alright, we're messing with it a little bit, and we got it a little loose. So we're just gonna start going from here. That was really easy.
Alright, tell them the truth.
Yeah, I just pulled it off. I got bored and I pulled it off.
Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the new ones. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is adjust the height to whatever he wants it to. So we're gonna unlock this ring right here, and then you can move this whole shaft up and down.
Okay.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, first coilover is in. Looking nice, real nice. So we added like what, about an inch and a half, maybe, give or take, 1 3/4. We just thought they were just very low, but yeah, hopefully she settles in nice. We still got to torque these before we drop it.
What the hell?
Alright, we'll come back when we finish putting it on this side, because you can't see Johnny. Johnny's whole head is in the fucking wheel well.
That bitch don't fit.
So we'll catch you guys when we get it and when we lower it. Try to make sure they land on the wood. Oh,
What?
it's so much more lower.
How do you know?
Because just by standing here, it used to be up higher. Now, lastly, what we're going to do is torque these 3 bolts to hold in the strut bars, and we'll be good. Now it's time to do the rears. We're going to flip around the car, get it in the front so we have more space in the fronts to work. But yeah, go from there.
This is why you torque the spec, boys. This is why you torque the spec.
Oh my god.
That came off with just your hand.
My finger.
Now we are taking apart the trunk so we can move these out of the way, get the top hats, and then we can get this strut out and then lower this whole hub down and then actually get the spring to come out. So after that, we'll just put in the new parts and replace our top hats. What? Don't lose any pieces.
Eat. Yeah.
Hey! Do I have another bolt? Oh, I shouldn't have.
And they're under those little black circles.
Now, the top hats are in here. So if you go ahead and take this cover off right there, we have to do all that just for that.
Just for those.
Just for those.
One piece. Yay.
Can't see it.
Nice and easy. It is free. Nice and easy.
Nothing on the bottom? Alright, want me to step on the hub or what?
Yes.
More?
Lift it up. There we go.
You in there?
Yep. What the fuck?
How hard of an install? 1 through 10.
I hate my life.
What is that on the number
It
scale?
wasn't that bad actually.
The only problem was aligning the rears, right?
Yeah, I
The
think my
rear-
alignment's fucked.
The rear arms, but nonetheless, it's done. Oh, wait, don't drop it. Can you get that thing under the car, babe?
This?
The behind it.
This?
Behind that.
What are you
Behind.
talking about?
Look under. You're not gonna be able to see. It's a little plate. Today.
Ow. That hurt.
Oh, this is kind of high.
Huh?
It's kind of high.
Son of a bitch. That's 3 fingers instead of 2.
All right, we'll drive it, adjust it, get some Panda for you, and for you, Toki Boy. And we'll give you an update when we're done.
You wanted Panda and donuts.
Yeah, I do want both. All right,
It's cold.
here's the final product. Well, we'll adjust it and get back to you. How do you feel, Johnny?
I hate this.
No, but anything for fitment, right?
I swear to God, if it's so shitty pivot.
No, I don't think it's shitty, but I don't think it's the best. The fronts are good, though. What do you think?
I think
The fronts are good. Right now, it doesn't look good, but oh my God, I think the bumper's touching the ground.
Are they?
It's, come look at it. Come look at it.
Fucking man.
Bro, come look.
That's a thumbnail.
Bro, come look at it, bro. My boy, what are you doing?
You see it, man.
You're not gonna have enough time to adjust.
Always got enough time.
Literally looks like my previous build.
Your what?
Looks like my old car. Very nice. Oh, she dropping it like it's hot. Damn, that shit looks terrible.
Is it really?
Don't worry, it still needs to get settled.
At least they gone from 4 finger to 3.5.
Really?
Yeah.
This one I didn't lower that much because I wanted to match the other one since I didn't get. Yeah. Don't worry, we'll get it adjusted tomorrow.
What the hell?
It's a lot less though, isn't it? It's a lot
Still,
less.
it was still 3 fingers.
Don't worry, we'll get it adjusted. Nice little driving gloves. Alright. Okay, straight off the bat.
Okay.
Alright.
I don't want to be ripping it just down your neighborhood.
It's a good idea.
I want to be respectful at least.
Good thought.
Remember, always be respectful. Do illegal shit, not in neighborhoods. We did set every single fucking setting to hard.
We did. Alright, twisty roads.
Let's not die.
Oh my goodness.
Once again, I bought these from Hashimaro, but they are BC Racing Coilovers. Was it BR series?
Yeah, it's just a beginner one. Or entry or whatever you want to call it.
I would highly recommend them.
Please sponsor.
Please sponsor me. Just
Please.
in case we fuck this up.
Please sponsor with the 188 subscribers.
Please sponsor just in case we fucked up and this breaks. Don't dig out your product. We just suck. But if two idiots can install,
Did anybody
coilovers,
get it?
then anybody can. I don't think the car likes that.
Anyways,
I can't have sex in this car.
the rears definitely have to be adjusted though. That's for sure. So we'll get them adjusted, and yeah, we'll go from there. What do you think? Anything else? And double check that everything's torqued down.
We haven't done that yet.
No, don't mess with it.
See, that's what I mean by
All right.
two idiots.
You want to do the outro?
Man, get your butt out of here.
Sign us out, man.
Well, I'm gonna put all the old shit in the trunk and leave.
All right.
I'm gonna dodge and weave.
All right, man. What do we say?
Subscribe and turn on notifications for when we upload in 6 months.
Bet. Bye bye.